G'day folks, today we're going to be taking a look at PolarPro's Vivid ND filter collection for the Mavic Air 2. We're going to check out some video footage shot with these PolarPro ND filters and see how well they work. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. As you can see here, I have the PolarPro Vivid ND filter collection for the Mavic Air 2. Now in this video, I'm not going to get into why to use an ND filter. I just uploaded a video about 4 days ago going over all the whys and hows. So if you want to know more about what ND filters are used for, definitely go and check that video out. So when you purchase the Vivid collection ND filters for the Mavic Air 2, it comes with 3 ND filters and a case. You get an ND8, an ND16, and an ND32. Now I don't have the case here. These are actually production units. PolarPro sent them to me to test out. They're available for pre-order right now on the PolarPro website, so definitely go and check that out. Now when it comes to capturing video on your drone and using ND filters, personally myself, it's something that I don't use all the time. There are situations where you want that motion blur, and there's of course situations where you don't want the motion blur. Most of the time when you're flying at say 400 feet and you're flying at an average speed, the ground below you is going to be moving very slowly, so you're not really going to get any kind of effect, any kind of blur motion from an ND filter. Of course, having the built-in polarizer is nice. It helps you cut back reflections in certain scenarios. Now installation of these ND filters is pretty basic. We just have to remove this ring first from the camera. So you're going to twist counterclockwise just till the ring turns like that, pull it off, and then of course we'll just put the PolarPro filter on and twist it back on. So now let's just get into some footage here, but before we start I want to show you a clip. Now this is more for beginners if you're not quite sure about what motion blur is and why you would want it. Here's a clip here of me flying low over a hayfield. I did not have an ND filter installed while I was filming this, and as we're flying along you can see that the footage looks really awkward. You can see some detail in the grass, a little too much detail, which makes it look really jittery, and it's kind of hard on the eyes. If we take a screenshot from the video, you can see that almost everything is perfectly in focus. And that's kind of what you want to avoid. When flying low to things or things are moving fast, you want it to have a little bit of blur to it. It's much easier on the eyes and it looks a lot nicer. Now just to do an example here I am flying just across some grass. As you can see here, I'm moving at about the same speed, but the bottom half of the image is quite blurry. It's a little easier on the eyes and it looks pleasing. Now here, if we take a screenshot of it, you can see how blurry the bottom part of the image is. So ideally when there's anything moving fast on the screen, you want to have that little bit of blur. Now I took the Mavic Air 2 out yesterday to test out these ND filters, so let's take a look at some of that footage now. Okay, so we're just out. It's fairly early in the morning. The sun is out. It's a little hazy, but we're going to do some testing with the PolarPro ND filters for the Mavic Air 2. I'm going to send the drone up by itself first in auto mode just so we have something to compare it to. So let's just get it up in the air and we'll go for a quick flight. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a PolarPro ND filter on. Now it's not super bright, like I said, it's fairly early in the morning and there is a little bit of a haze, but I think an ND8 will work perfectly, so that's what we're going to put on. So we'll get that ring removed there. Now I will have to be super careful here because I did forget to bring a cleaning cloth with me and I don't want to get fingerprints on the lens there. But there we go. I think I managed to get it fingerprint free. So I will have to go in and change our manual settings. Because I am filming at 30 frames per second, we're going to set our shutter speed to 1/60. So let's go ahead and we'll get her up. So I've landed the Mavic Air 2 and we had a pretty good flight. So now we'll go back home, check out the footage and see what it looks like with the PolarPro ND filters installed. So definitely very pleased with these filters. PolarPro always makes a nice filter. Like I stated already at the beginning of this video, they are available for pre-order, so you can go to the PolarPro website, polarprofilters.com. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.